In a valley far away, with my Máire Bhán Astór, short would be the summer day, ever loving more and more. Winter days would all grow long, with the light her heart would pour, with her kisses and her song and her loving more galore. Fond is Máire Bhán Astór, fair is Máire Bhán Astór, sweet as ripple on the shore, sings my Máire Bhán Astór. Oh, her sire is very proud, and her mother cold as stone, but her brother bravely vowed she should be my bride alone. For he knew I loved her well, and he knew she loved me too, so he sought their pride to quell, but 'twas all in vain to sue. True is Máire Bhán Astór, tried is Máire Bhán Astór, had I wings I'd never soar from my Máire Bhán Astór. There are lands where manly toil surely reaps the crop it sows, glorious woods and teeming soil where the broad Missouri flows. Through the trees the smoke shall rise from our hearth with more galore. There shall shine the happy eyes of my Máire Bhán Astór. Mild is Máire Bhán Astór, mine is Máire Bhán Astór, saints will watch about the door of my Máire Bhán Astór. Mild is Máire Bhán Astór, mine is Máire Bhán Astór, saints will watch about the door of